Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here again with DougRuckerStore.com and PressureWashingSchool.com, and we're located right here in Porter, Texas. We're just outside of Houston, Texas, right really close to Humble, Kingwood area, right off of 59 and Loop 494. So if you're local in the area, please be sure and stop by. Check us out for any of your pressure washing, soft washing needs, and any questions, we'll be glad to help you. And also thank you everybody across the United States that continues to order for us. We certainly appreciate your business as well. Hey, kind of walked in on Ramundo the other day, and he was doing some repairs, or actually some upgrades to a Whisper Wash surface cleaner. So got that coming up for you next. What's up, Ramundo? What you got going?
Right now we're working on this 24-inch Whisper Wash, replacing swivel, spray bar, eliminating the trigger gun.
Oh, these are from Christian, the guy that attended the school last week or 2 weeks ago, October. Same guy that bought my truck skid, right?
Yes.
So these are two of they're Whisper Wash 24-inch surface cleaners, but they have the Ramtech sticker on them. But so you're doing what now? You're taking.
We're gonna eliminate the trigger gun.
Okay. So you're eliminating this.
We're gonna put a surface cleaner regulator.
Okay.
And from there, we're gonna change the swivel. We're gonna put a Mosmatic swivel on it.
Okay.
And we're gonna put this brand new Whisper Wash.
Oh yeah, the new
spray bar.
The X-Force bars. So yeah, we have the Tornado bars on ours, and these are the new X-Force that came out from Whisper Wash. And so we're gonna take this 2 nozzle bar off, and we're gonna put this on, because he bought my rig, and it's an 8-gallon per minute machine, so this 4 bar will do good. So this is the finished product right here, huh?
Yes.
So you've changed it to the Mosmatic conversion kit.
Correct.
And then you installed the surface cleaner regulator. So now you can control his pressure.
But we also eliminated.
You eliminated the gun.
The trigger gun.
Hey, our next pressure washing training, our school is going to be held December 6th. That's the last one of 2025, and then we start into 2026. But we'll have it December 6th right here in Houston, Texas, as well as with Judd West out in Valdosta, Georgia. So if you're starting a new business, trying to get into the pressure washing business, either one of these locations will be excellent for you. We cover house washing, roof cleaning, property protection, concrete cleaning. You actually get to use the equipment that we use on a daily basis. And so it's hands-on training for the first part of the morning. Then we provide the lunch, and then it's classroom training where we go in depth in training you on how to clean houses, how to clean roofs, concrete, hardscape, all of that, and then also property protection. So that's December 6th. If you have any questions about that, you can email me at learn@pressurewashingschool.com, or you can text 281-883-3630. We also still have the online video school. I've had that for about 10 or 11 years. And so that's a great way to get started as well if you can't make it to either of the trainings in Valdosta or here in Houston. And then we also have the point training, personalized, on-site, individual, next level training, where we can actually take you to a job or a place and train you on site. If you'd like that, again, you can email me, learn@pressurewashingschool, to get the pricing and whether we can come to you or you want to come to us and that type of thing. So you have the options to train on screen or you can train on scene. So for any of the school opportunities, just be sure to email learn@pressurewashingschool.com, or you can call or text 281-883-3630. And as for the store, if you're interested in any of our products or have any questions about anything that we sell, you can email us info@dougruckerstore.com. Call or text 281-612-1223. Just want to let you know, we invite you to always call or text us or email us or whatever. Anytime you have questions about something you're thinking about buying, we are here for the professional contractor who is in the business. We're not necessarily here for homeowners. We do have homeowners that buy sometimes, but they're really on their own. Don't have a lot of time to spend to answer questions for them and all that, because so many of you that are in this business, you are our priority. You are my passion to help you guys be successful. So just remember that. We're not the type that does not want to talk to their customers. We want to talk to our customers and make sure that you're making the right decisions. So info@dougruckerstore.com, call or text 281-612-1223. So that looks like the fairly, maybe not too new handles that Whisper Wash has for these. They're kind of curved up a little bit. And so that's what it used to look like with the gun, the old swivel, and then lift it up. And the old Whisper Wash bar. So now we have the new Whisper Wash Tornado bar, 24-inch, 4 nozzle, and the gun delete. No more gun. He just puts his ball valve here. He can turn it on and off with a ball valve. And so pretty cool. I think he's going to like this a lot better, especially going to the 8-gallon per minute machine. Again, these are the X-Force bars. We have these in stock. That's the conversion kit for the Mosmatic swivel. And I think we have one of those left. I got to get some more ordered. And all the components for the surface cleaner, the regulator. There's his old swivel. Another thing just to remind you about, if you're looking for a good CRM, that's a customer relationship management tool. Something that you can do all of your quotes, all of your invoicing, your calendar, your scheduling, all of that. Be sure to check out Project to Payment. You get a free 90-day trial if you use my QR code or the link that we're going to supply to you. You get a free 90-day trial to use it. After that, it's only $20 a month. I use it. I love it. It's a great tool to use. So check that out. And then also any of your marketing needs, DougRuckerMarketing.com. We have shirts available. We have 5-arounds. We have all kinds of things, shoes, hats, any type of brochures, mail outs, all of that kind of stuff that you might need. And then just check that out at DougRuckerMarketing.com. Man, I tell you what, when you go to this Mosmatic swivel on these Whisper Wash, like I've done on mine, yeah, no, these are my two 24-inch little big guys. So, yep, we have the Mosmatic swivel there, surface cleaner regulator, and then the same thing on this one. So, not to be redundant, keep showing you guys this, but anyway, that's what Raimundo's got going this morning. So, you guys need this done to your surface cleaners, Raimundo is your man. So, anything else, Raimundo?
That's it.
That's it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And we also have the flat free tires in stock if you need those for your Whisper Wash. And I'm going to check on getting these handles in because I might want that whisper mine. This is actually a gun delete that he did because this is the old handle, U-shaped bars or whatever, that Raimundo did just from parts he found off of what, Amazon?
Amazon.
And so I like it, but you know, you've got all these curves. This over here, it goes straight through, and I guess that's the nice part about this new handle is you have the gun down here. It's kind of,
You can actually go
I
with
guess if you're one of those that holds it, you just keep your left hand up on the bar here, and yeah. But delete the gun, get more flow. Guns go bad anyway. He's got this little spring clamp, I'm assuming is what he was using to keep the gun open all the time. So anyway, hope that helped you guys. Hope you enjoyed seeing that. Just something really quick today to show you how you can convert your whisper wash to Mossmatic swivel, gun delete, all that kind of stuff. All right, I hope this has been helpful for you guys, just to let you see a little bit of the upgrades that you could do if you have one of these Whisper Wash 24-inch or 28-inch surface cleaners. The surface pressure regulator, we can add that to pretty much any surface cleaner that you want. As a matter of fact, you can do it yourself. We have videos on how to do it, how to install it with Raimundo, showing everybody how to do that. So again, just hope this has been helpful. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you get notifications, and then leave a comment, leave a question, anything I can do to help you. I'm going to try to answer every single question, as always, that you post. So thanks so much, and y'all have a very, very blessed day.